In this video, I demonstrate you a very cool functionality in Visulox, one-time passcode. Two-factor authentication increases security, and sometimes it's requested by your security policy. What is the idea behind two-factor authentication? It is to use something you have and something you know. Tell your login process who you are, your name, something you know, your password, and something you have, a token. There are several ways to implement two-factor authentications, and everything has a different approach. For example, physical token has a big effort of distribution. Third-party products are cost-intensive. Text messages and emails are currently treated as unsecure. Let's look at an efficient way. Visulox provides for a long time two-factor authentication already based on text messages, on email, or even verbal. With our new implementation, we provide OTP, one-time passcode. One-time passcode based on RFC 6238, today called as the Google Authenticator. In my upcoming demo, I want to present you how a user is logging in with an OTP, how a user can change or set up his OTP configuration, and what the administrator will see. So let's be the user Alvin. And user Alvin knows his password. And now he needs a one-time passcode, which is only valid now. Now the user is logged in, and now he is able to launch any application which is assigned to him without additional two-factor authentication, because he is already fully authenticated. Let's see what happens if a user logs in which needs an OTP, but no OTP is currently configured. Here we have user Cedric. He logs in and he gets a page where he sees that he has to configure an OTP. He uses his smartphone, opens the Google Authenticator, and scans the QR code and confirms the configuration with his first PIN. And now he's logged in and has a valid OTP configuration. In the management desk, the supervisor goes to filter objects. In filter objects, he sees all the users, and by a quick sort on the list of users, he can detect who has already an OTP configured. By selecting one or more of them, he is able to reset their OTP configurations. Since more than 10 years, Amitego provides Visulox, the ultimate platform to control and document privileged users in your data center.